Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at Baselworld 2018 with Bulgari, looking at the latest in Octo, and not just Octo, but thin Octo. This is their new world record watch for 2018. This is the Octo Finissimo Automatic Tourbillon. This is the thinnest automatic watch in the world, and it also has a tourbillon, so it's also the thinnest automatic tourbillon watch in the world. They skeletonized, or I'm saying they fully open the dial there, so you can see the movement. You can see more of the movement on the rear of the watch. This one is done in a very light sandblasted titanium case. It feels fantastic on the wrist. Price for this watch is about 125,000 euros or Swiss francs? Euros. 125,000 euros for the new world record-breaking Octo Finissimo Automatic Tourbillon. But there's more. There's a very strictly limited edition version of last year's very impressive Octo Finissimo Minute Repeater. This one is in carbon, incredibly light. The material allows the Minute Repeater to sound very, very loud and impressive. It feels like you're wearing barely anything on the wrist at all, because of course it is an Octo Finissimo. If you can tell, similar to the original Minute Repeater, the hour markers in the actual dial is skeletonized, which further allows for a resonance chamber effect. This does not have a slider, but it has a push button operation for the Minute Repeater on the side of the case here, which you press in to activate the Minute Repeater. Finally, talking about a little bit affordable, because that Minute Repeater was about 170,000. This is a steel version, sandblasted steel version of the automatic. This is about 12,900. Looks great. This is again that thinnest automatic. It was originally introduced in a titanium case, and for this year in 2018, we have it in, as I said, sandblasted steel, which looks really great, and this is really the one that I think people are going to get because of the price point, as well as sandblasted rose gold. This one's about 42,000 Swiss francs, and it's a lot more money, but it is fantastic and gorgeous looking. I like that they chose to do black hands and hour markers. That allows it to contrast very well. Some of the Finissimo models, in my opinion, with polished hands made it difficult to see the time, but as you can see here, legibility is great. It's actually sized pretty well for my wrist there. And that is the sandblasted rose gold version of the Bulgari Octo Finissimo Automatic. And those for me are the top new Bulgari men's watches of 2018. You can see more on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.